Hello and welcome to our English Fluency Podcast, where we help you speak English easily. My name is Susan.
Hi, Susan, and hello to everyone listening to us right now. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Steve.
This episode is for beginner and elementary English learners.
And in this video, we will practice speaking English together.
Yes, we will use simple words, useful phrases, and easy real-life sentences.
You can listen, repeat, and practice with us. We will speak slowly and clearly.
There is no pressure.
Absolutely. So, Susan, what are we talking about today?
Today, we will talk about a very common situation, your morning routine.
This is something we all do, every day.
When people talk, they often ask, "What do you do in the morning?"
So today, we will practice simple sentences you can use to talk about your morning.
You don't need to speak fast, and you don't need to be perfect.
Just listen, and when you feel ready, repeat.
Before we start, please like this episode.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us and other learners too.
Thank you so much.
Now, let's start with a very simple sentence. I wake up at.
I wake up at.
This sentence is about time, the time you get out of bed.
For example, I wake up at 7.
Let's repeat together. I wake up at.
You can choose your own time.
Maybe you wake up early,
I wake up at 6.
or maybe later.
I wake up at 8.
Now think about your own morning.
And say it one more time.
I wake up at.
Good. That's a very useful sentence.
Right. Next sentence. I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
This means you stop sleeping. You stand up.
Let's repeat. I get out of bed.
Sometimes we get out of bed quickly,
Sometimes slowly.
and that's okay.
Let's say it again.
I get out of bed.
Great job.
After getting out of bed, many people feel tired. They say, I feel tired.
I feel tired.
This means you do not have much energy.
It also means your body wants to rest.
Sometimes you feel tired in the morning.
And sometimes after a long day.
Right. Steve, how do you feel right now?
I feel tired.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Now, here's a very common sentence. I get ready for the day.
I get ready for the day.
This means you wash yourself, dress, and prepare.
Yes, then you get ready to go out.
I get ready for the day. Let's repeat this.
I get ready for the day.
Again, slowly.
I get ready for the day.
Great. Now let's listen to a short example.
Okay, so Susan, when do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7, and I get out of bed.
How do you feel?
I feel tired, but I still get ready for the day.
Wow, that sounds like a normal morning.
Yes, most times.
Now you try. Say, I feel tired. Good job.
Next sentence. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Very simple. This means you eat food in the morning.
Yes, your first meal of the day.
Some people eat breakfast.
Some people don't.
Both are okay.
Repeat with us. I eat breakfast.
Excellent. Some people also drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
This means you drink coffee to feel awake.
Coffee helps you feel active.
Exactly. Some people drink coffee every day.
Some people don't.
Repeat, I drink coffee.
Perfect.
Another useful sentence is, I leave the house.
I leave the house.
This means you go outside.
Yes, you go out of your home.
Sometimes people leave the house early.
And sometimes later.
I leave the house. Now you repeat.
Great.
Next sentence. I go to work.
I go to work.
Some people go to work in the morning.
And some people work at night.
I go to work. Repeat.
I go to work.
Amazing. Now let's pause for a moment.
Yes, think about your own morning.
What do you do first?
You don't need to answer fast.
Just think.
Learning English can be slow, and that's okay.
Right. Now let's try another short example.
Okay?
I eat breakfast and drink coffee.
Then what?
I leave the house and go to work.
That makes sense.
Absolutely. When everything is ready, you can say, I start my day.
I start my day.
This means your day begins. You begin your activities.
Sometimes your day starts calmly.
Sometimes it starts busy.
Exactly. Now repeat. I start my day.
Good job. At the end, many people feel ready. They say, I feel ready.
I feel ready.
This means you are prepared.
Sometimes you feel ready quickly. And sometimes it takes time.
I feel ready.
Perfect.
Now, let's practice all the sentences together. Listen and repeat.
I wake up at.
Say the time you wake up.
I get out of bed.
I feel tired.
I get ready for the day.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I leave the house.
I go to work.
I start my day.
I feel ready.
Amazing. Now, let's say it slowly. Take your time and repeat.
I wake up at.
Say the time you wake up.
I get out of bed.
I feel tired.
I get ready for the day.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I leave the house.
I go to work.
I start my day.
I feel ready.
Great. You are doing well. Let's try a short conversation.
Okay?
What time do you wake up, Steve?
I wake up at 7.
Nice. How do you feel in the morning?
I feel tired.
What do you do next?
I drink coffee and I get ready for the day.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
And then?
I leave the house and start my day.
Great job today. You practiced real English.
Watch this video again to improve your fluency.
Remember, a little practice every day will help you improve your speaking.
You don't need to rush.
Exactly. Learning English is a journey.
Right. Don't forget to like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your family or friends who are also learning English.
Thank you for practicing with us.
And we will see you in our next episode. Bye-bye.